What is up, guys? Rhythm Rider back again with another epic adventure. Today, guys, I've got this big abandoned country home. Really cool place, custom built, and it's a classic Ontario farmhouse, but it's huge. So anyways, guys, let's check it out. Alright guys, so I first discovered this house a while back, but unfortunately when we came, it was all sealed up. Someone has since come in, and as you can see, ripped boards off, smashed a window, so now it's easy to get in here. And like, look at this room. Huge living room, and I love the beams in the ceiling. Those are just so cool. Wow, this place is huge. Oh, look at the bathroom here. Got a nice big bathroom, shower. Oh, and look at the wood. Gorgeous woodwork. Looks like the furnace room back here. Oh yeah. Actually, that's not a furnace. I don't know what that deal is, but something. And look at this. There's a trap door. I wonder if there was like a safe or something in there at one point. You got a big walk-in closet. What's in here? Another closet. Probably for linens. Wow. This appears to probably have been a bedroom, which would make sense off of everything else. Look at that, guys. Got that wagon wheel in the wall with a round opening thing. Oops, beer bottles everywhere. We got the breaker panel in here. Look at this kitchen. Old country switch cover. Look at this. Beautiful custom kitchen. You got two skylights up there. So you get all that natural light. Now this place is pretty boarded up. If it weren't for those skylights, it'd be very dark in here. And there's that wheel. Nice sized kitchen, I must say. And here's a little look outside. Now this was boarded too, and someone's come in, ripped this one off as well. But look at that porch. We'll check that out after, guys. We'll show you the outside, but right now I just want to continue on with the inside. What's over here? Is this a bathroom or a laundry room? Yeah, it looks like a, oh, it is a laundry room. Got a washing machine right there with even laundry still in it. If you guys can see. Weird. Who leaves laundry in the tub or the washing machine? There's the basement. Stairs seem okay. What else? Low headroom. It's actually not a very big. Oh, it is big over there. Got some art right there. Deer. You can tell it's a really old house because the basement's got a stone foundation. And look at the lock. The basement's actually quite small, which tells me this house originally was a lot smaller than it is these days. Box of wine. All empties. Oh, the floor is just covered in paint peels. I bet you this is probably the original house, just looking at, because we're right above where the basement was. And so everything that we were just in previously was added on at a later date. You can see the walls are shimmering with moisture. This would be the front door. Look at that doorknob. That's beautiful. Oh, check this out, guys. That chandelier. And it's a modest staircase, nothing too crazy, but it's still pretty nice. And lots of gorgeous woodwork throughout. And hardwood flooring. This looks like it's an office or something. All these bookshelves. This place is huge and just goes on. Wow, look at this bathroom. This is actually pretty nice. Nice tub, jacuzzi tub there. Pedestal sink over here. So there is some moderner features. And just again, it's been ripped off, guys. Like when I said I was here before, everything was locked up tight, sealed up. I'm surprised how much stuff has been ripped open in here. You had to forgive me. I've still got this little bit of a cold hanging on, so I am a little congested still. See, look at that. They've even got the inside windows boarded. Probably can't see me, but what is up, guys? Yeah, this is definitely the original part of the home. Oh, look at this dresser. That's pretty nice. Yeah, still some furniture left behind. This looks like it's a custom kind of desk thing. Yeah. Fairly decent sized rooms for the most part. Let's see what is all this stuff on the floor here. Is there business cards? I noticed over here, got some United States of America map of the West Indies. Alright guys, so we're outside now. And as you can see, lots of fresh boards, but a lot have been ripped off. And I'll show you just how big this place is right here. So over there was that back bedroom, that one of the first ones we ever got into. Then went over to that, where that first board is. That's a bathroom. This board right here is the kitchen. Then this first one right there, that's the laundry room. And that's a bedroom right there. And then that's the bathroom. Look at this huge porch. And you got a doghouse right here with a pile of DVDs. Look at porch still goes around. And I want to show you guys, what this whole place looks like, because it's really, really big. And I'm thinking everywhere the porch is, that's definitely the original house. Everything after that, or everything else, was built after the original house was built. So they obviously made a little bit of money, decided, hey, we need a bigger piece of property, or a bigger house. Like a nice big property with a big wraparound driveway. And look at this. Just go down here. It's a pretty sweet looking spot, guys. And I like that little steeple kind of feature they got right there. Anyways, guys, that seems to be about it for this place. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe, smash the like button. Remember, guys, always come back, because Rhythm Rider always has that epic shit. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.